Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to search text in Messenger. Here are the simple steps to search for text or messages in Messenger. First is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to your Facebook or Messenger account. Tap the search bar at the top of the Messenger home screen. Then start type a keyword, phrase, or person's name related to the message you want to find. Messenger will start showing suggested people, groups, and messages as you type. Tap on the person or chat you want to search within. Once the chat opens, tap the info icon or three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, choose Search in Conversations. A search field will appear at the top of the chat. Type the exact word or phrase you want to find, then tap the search button. Messenger will highlight all instances of that text in the conversation. Use the up and down arrows, if shown, to move between results or by using the scroll function. Tap any highlighted message to jump directly to its spot in the chat. Then tap the back arrow to return to the full conversation when done. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.